Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to attach accessories to your 3D avatar in Blender. For example, the hats, or if you want to attach any weapons or knife on your 3D avatar's hands, if you want to attach a hat or helmet on your avatar's head, how to attach it. And now you can see this is a 3D avatar that already have the skeleton. So to attach any of the 3D models on the hand, like the weapons, you need to first just go to click your skeleton, click the skeletons, and then go to the viewport display to make sure it is in front. Next, I will just create a demo. First, I will show you how to attach on the hand. And as demo, I'm going to just create a stick. All right, now this is a cylinder. I just make it small, and then I just make it long. I make it long. Then I make it small. All right. What about if I want to attach this stick on the hand? And we need to check which one is the hand bone. So click the skeleton, go to the pose mode, then click the hand bone, and then you can see under the armature, this highlighted means this bones is under here. So if you click the empty space, it won't select it. So now I select it, I click already, then just go to check. Just follow wherever it highlighted. Just go and expand it. Wait, just expand it. Follow it. It's still here. Expand it. And expand again. Left shoulder. Expand. Left arm. Finally, left elbow. Left wrist. Left wrist. And expand again. No more highlighted. That means this skeleton, this bone, this rig, this piece of the rig, the name is left wrist. Alright, now I select it. And then next, I go to the object mode. Do the same way. I expand everything. You can see it already selected there. Do not click other places. Now it already selected there. Click it. So always remember it is here. Next, find out which one you want to attach. The cylinder is at here. Click and select the cylinder. Then hold the shift button. Sorry. Move your mouse cursor here, click the cylinder. Hold the control and click left wrist. Left wrist. Then Control P. Control P set parent to, then choose bone. Just want to bind it to this bone. Now we have a try. This one. We move it to attach it. Now you can see it already have a link. So we try to attach it here. Where is it now? Just move it carefully to make it attach at here. And then rotate it. Move it. And then, if you attach like this, now you can see the pivot point is at here. And next, I suggest you to move the pivot point near to the end. To move the pivot point, you have to click Control, full stop. Then, move it to behind. Then, press Control, full stop again. Now, It is already here. So now we may try to go back to the pose mode. Click the skeleton, go to the pose mode, and we try to move the whole body, move the skeleton. You can see now it really attached to the hand. If I move it, now you can see it really automatic attached on the hand. Of course, now you still can move it if you want. You may set it to local. It is easier. Let's see here. So what about if I attach some of the animation, retarget it, then it still can work. But you have to make sure it is still at the T pose. I just undo the pose and make sure that this stick is at the object mode. Move it at the T pose, it's always the best. And I try to retarget a motion for this, that it always bind together. You can see. Go to the pose mode. For any of the pose, it automatically attach it there. Same as if you want to attach a hat for your avatar, or you want to attach a helmet, you also need to find out which skeleton. This is the head. It is at here under the head. So now as demo, I'm going to create another mesh. I back to the object mode. I add a mesh. I add a cube, for example. If this is a head, then I move it up. And then I attach on the head, the head there. Where's the head? Under the neck, head. This is the head. So I click the cube, hold the control button, click the head. Then Control P, bind with the bone. Now if I go to the pose mode, now this one already become an accessory. It can be a helmet, etc. If I turn the head, you can see it automatic turn together. It already bind with the skeleton of the head. So by using this method, you can attach any accessories, you can attach any weapons, you can attach any of the hats, and even some of the shoes you can attach it here. It is really easy. Right, that's all for today about my tutorial on how to attach the accessories on any of the rig 3D avatar with the skeletons. You can attach the weapons, you can attach the hats, etc. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.